Hello, in front of me I have TicWatch Pro 3 Ultra and I'm gonna show you how to adjust the sound volumes on this device. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the upper button. Once you wake up the screen, you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. Now we can tap on the settings icon to open the settings, and in settings find the option called sound and tap on it to select it. And here in sound menu we have media volume, alarm volume and ring volume. First let's tap on media volume, and here we can adjust the volume for media by swiping on the slider. And once you're done you can swipe right, then tap on alarm volume, adjust the volume for the alarms, then swipe right, and the last volume option is ring volume, and you can adjust the volume for the ringtone. And once you're done you can press the upper button to go back to the watch face. And that's how you adjust the sound volumes on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.